What's happening, Three Cool Nation? We back with another video. It's your boy Alcinda Roberts here in action, ready for another video. Hey, now if you guys are new here, hey, you already know what I'm gonna tell you to do. Go ahead, hit that like button. If you mess with the video, hit the like button. And if you want to join Three Cool Gang, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Now I know ain't nobody asked for this video, but I had some inquiry minds wanting to know what I do throughout the day. My life is not that interesting, but I'll let you guys be the judge of it. So we're going to start at 2 a.m. because that's what time I get up. Let's go.
Ice mother cold, that boy he a pingle.
All right, let's get it. 2 a.m. I'm getting my ass out the bed. I'm hitting the shower. That's the first thing I do. Now, the reason why I get in the shower is because I got to talk to God, I got to meditate, I got to get my mind right for the day and deal with all these punks. So, I'm sorry, people. So, what I got to do is I got to get my mind right, get ready. Then, what I do is before I head to the kitchen, I do a quick little workout. You know, ain't nothing crazy. Do a couple little push-ups, little squats here and there, boop, boop, boop. Then, I hit the kitchen. Now, what I do in the kitchen is I obviously eat. Make some coffee. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna make some grits, some eggs, probably some waffles. You know, it depends on the mood, how am I feeling, you know, but that's what I'm probably gonna do. And then I'm gonna eat an apple. And then grab the coffee, grab a bottle of water. I'm out the door. Now at about 3:15, I'm in the GT. I'm headed to work. Now I'm at work 4 to 1 p.m. Ain't nothing to talk about.
Y'all got 15 pounds.
Hey, I'm at work.
Hey, Mr. Franklin, I can't come in. I got shot in my foot. Where your whole ass
guys,
work?
if you still working 9 to 5 jobs out there, ain't nothing wrong with you. You getting your money. That's all that matters. So don't let nobody tell you that you a lame because you work 9 to 5. Man, you a lame if you don't make no money at all. If you ain't bringing no bread in, you suck. Get some bread. Make some business about yourself, even if you have to work 9 to 5. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Nothing wrong with that. So I get off at 1. And I head home. When I get home, I take a quick power nap. Power naps are very essential. Take a power nap to get your mind refreshed. So around 2 p.m., what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up, do another little workout real quick, grab a snack. Now I love some goddamn hot Cheetos, bro. I try to stay away from it. I love hot Cheetos, so I try not to eat those that much, but I might eat some blueberries or something quick, something easy. Then depending on if I have to either film or if I have to write a script for what I'm about to film, that's when I'm doing between 3 to 5. But most of the time, I'm probably filming because I already got the idea in my head. So 3 to 5, I'm filming whatever it is. 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. What I'm doing is I'm getting dinner, cooking it, prepping it, whatever. 5 to 7. 5 to 7 p.m., I'm heading upstairs. Getting upstairs, and what I'm doing up there is I'm basically editing what I shot earlier. I'm editing the video, and I'm probably watching a movie while I'm editing. Probably doing that. So once I'm done, it takes about 7 to 10. Now, the reason why it takes that long is because I gotta edit, then I gotta publish the video, then I gotta market the video on all these social media networks. I gotta get it done, and I just let it do what it do. After that, now, around 10 p.m., what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back and I'm going to go take a shower, another shower, do a quick workout, then take a shower. Get the shower done, brush my teeth again, because I forgot to mention I do brush my teeth early. Come on, man, that's very important. Y'all know I ain't no stinking ass nigga, because yes, I do bathe or shower twice a day. Just saying, you know, my mom got me like that, you know, she got me being clean, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, after that, I'm in the bed, and we're going to do it all over again the next day. Now, at first, my schedule wasn't even cohesive like that. Like, shit was all over the place. So I had to talk to my supervisor and be like, hey, nigga, I need you to make a consistent schedule because you got my mind doing all this crazy shit. Now I got to include this YouTube crap and all the stuff I'm doing. So he fixed my time to where it's at a cohesive schedule. So that's great for me. And I'm a big family guy. So my mom, I try to see her as much as I can throughout the week. If I don't, I call her. You know, spend time with your parents while they still here because they're not going to be here forever. Not even your parents, just your loved ones, you know. If you got resentment towards someone, tell them you love them because you never know when it's their last day. But anyway, yeah, doing that. with my family, my brother, my sister. You know, I got my good friends. They be in my ear. Like, man, keep doing the YouTube video. Keep doing the YouTube video. Like, they in my ear. So I got to keep doing it. I got to stay hungry. I got to stay grinding. So go to bed. And I do the exact same thing the next day, all throughout the week. Now, on the weekend, it might change a little bit, depending on my off days. But on my off days, I just put more time towards YouTube or more time towards a hustle to get more money to invest in YouTube, because YouTube is a business, you know, especially when you got your own little thing. So it's a lot of work, a lot of dedication. But anyway, guys, that's what I do within a day. I want to know what you guys do within a day. You know, comment below, let me know. You know, I have some top 5 categories things coming soon. Got that. I'm gonna make that a whole little playlist. So I hope you guys really enjoy that. And I can't really pick a favorite movie, so I'm gonna put them in categories and pick my top 5 favorite whatever. So anyways, 3 Cool Nation, you know I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, man. And if you want to join through 3 Cool Gang, hit the subscribe button. And y'all already know what I'm about to say. See you real soon and stay cool. Bye! Yeah. It's your boy, DJ Philly, coming to you live from Brick City. Here to support your boy Alcindor Roberts from 3 Cool Productions. All you phony ass directors, boy, y'all bitch ass is over. Alcindor coming through the cracks, baby. Now, if you new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead. What you waiting on, nigga? Hit it.